Yarn is a textile intermediate product that is produced in various spinning systems. The quality control of the produced yarn guarantees the production of high-quality products and attracts the trust and confidence of customers, which is the most important element of a production unit. Sirang Company is one of the most equipped textile collections in Iran, with a complete set of devices and laboratory facilities in the field of testing various types of filament yarns. Using the best equipment with the latest global standards by experienced and specialized personnel, this company takes a step towards serving valued customers and implementing the principles of customer orientation, and provides better and wider services in the fastest time with the highest national standards. Sirang, colors like the yarn's delicacy.